Morning of the day one of the paddleboard. Let's do this.
It is tough work, really tough. Some really big kind of meanders and the wind's pretty strong and it just kind of blows you into the banks. And we've both gone down rapids backwards a few times. This wind just turns just going backwards through rapids. It's now just become normal.
Yeah, we were hoping we were going to be able to be dry.
Yeah, no chance.
It's quite the opposite.
It's just one of the most frustrating things that's ever happened to me.
Oh man.
Day 2, final day. Woo! Paddleboarding, final day hopefully of the entire thing.
Please don't be as rubbish as yesterday.
Yeah, we need a bit of luck, bit of good winds and stuff in our favour.
How does today compare to yesterday?
So far, it compares incredibly well. Having a great time.
It's pretty cool to think we're the only people to have ever done this.
Yeah, that is incredible. You can kind of see why. There's
Yeah.
nothing around us.
Yeah.
Totally alone.
We haven't seen a human since we left.
That's true.
So we've just checked the maps. And we're probably about 2 hours away from the finish, which is amazing news. 2 hours from the finish of the whole bloody thing.
2 hours, come on.
This place is ridiculous.
Smash it out.
Can actually appreciate it today. Such a good feeling. Such a good feeling.
We can see the bridge.
Woohoo!
That is our finish line down there. Yes!
That is the start of Lake Argentino. That is where we've finished this month-long absolute carnage of an adventure. Oh.
We are so pumped to have this done. And we've got a celebratory couple of kilometres, probably a K and a half now. Cruising in on these bad boys.
Come on!
Ah, we can't wait to finish. Yes.